Well, folks, the curtain looks good, man. It really does. There's the good old stool I showed you yesterday and the bench. I got to find some cushions for that bad boy. But anyway, those are my Explorer Outfitters window covers. And in fact, since I've put this window in here, I haven't even shown these covers that come off. Probably be the thing to do. So let's take that off. What do you know? And that's the window. And we can see out. It's pretty cool. Window looks good. These Explorer Outfitter window covers are really good. I've mentioned them before. It's a company out of California, and they make those things by hand. And they're strong magnets, man. These things pop on, man, and big time. And they cover your windows very well, I might add. They do a great job of it, just like that, magnetic. And I've got some in the back as well. Love it. Well, it's raining its butt off today in Sells. I think it's this tropical rain coming out of the south. It'll stop here in a little bit. Get some sun to charge my batteries. But that's my Energy Apex down there. That thing is so cool. I have to actually charge my portable devices up before I leave here Sunday. It's going to be cool. Take a little shakedown trip and see how things go. I really don't know how this is going to be with all this stuff the way it is right now. I'm just hoping things can, in time, open up back to the way they were. I don't know what that's going to be. But anyway, that's the way that is. And I'm just busy getting things done here today, for sure. Oh, man. I am getting this music done, man. I got to upload tomorrow for a publisher. So this is going in the batch. It's a little dark sounding. Stuff is really big in film and TV. A lot of documentaries, crime shows and stuff. Just really layered, deep. It's pretty cool. A little dark. Never thought I'd be writing music like this ever. I really do like writing tension music and stuff. It's really cool. Don't know why, but it's cool. It just happens to be that way. It's pretty cool. Well, anyway, I'm getting things done here. I'm going through a checklist. I'll take this van Sunday and head towards Nashville and then hit the Natchez Trace Monday. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. So it's little things. So also trying to figure out cool ways of travel guitar stuff to take with me. I got something kind of cool today. It's a bass guitar I could travel with. I can plug it in and do bass tracks, and it's almost like a mini bass. It's real cool. It sounds killer. I don't have to take the big bass guitar with me. I take one guitar and my Get Lele and that, and I'm covered. I think it'd be great. And I could do some acoustic work with that guitar right there, because it's called a Variax guitar. It's got some really cool acoustic stuff with it. So, but just don't want to get on the road and go, dang, I should have brought that guitar. So get all the stuff I need with me and everything, so to do my music, because I can do it anywhere. I love it. So anyway, I'm getting off here. I've had a long day of rain. We're supposed to get more damn rain tomorrow. God, it's that tropical rain coming off the Gulf Coast, more than likely. So anyway, I'm out, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Be cool. Thanks so much for watching.